Hello friends, in this session we will study overloads keyword, method overloading, and we will also understand what do you mean by overloads keyword and when we use it. Let us first study method overloading. Let us take subdisk and write console dot write line first method copy paste and change the parameter by var y as integer. Second method, you can also take some value dim x as integer, x is equal to 100, x is equal to y. First method value is equal to value of x, and again value is equal to value of x, and we will call the method disp and disp with one parameter 200. Let us execute the program. Now we will write here overloads. This overloads is not supported. This is not supported, and let us see what it is writing. Inappropriate use of overloads keyword in a module. That means you cannot use this overloads keyword within a module. Then what to do? Let us take one class. Let us take one class. Class A, and write the whole thing within the class. Now this overloads keyword is supported here, and make the object dim obj as new a obj.disp and obj.disp with parameter, and let us execute this program. See the whole program. This is class, and the overloads keyword has been written here. Execute the program, no problem. Now let us eliminate this overloads keyword. No problem. So in method overloading, if you write overloads here, all the corresponding subdisk will also have to use the overloads keyword, and this is optional. You can write also, and you cannot use these words also. But when this overloads keyword is mandatory, let us do something more. Let us make it as a base class. When you use the same concept in inheritance, then you will find that this keyword will be mandatory. Class B, this is one child class, this is base class, this is child class, and this inherits base class A. Now dim y as integer subdisk. We will pass the value. By val, change the parameter by val. By val y as integer and y. Now you can see subdisk shadows an overloadable member declared in the base class A. That means this is mandatory to write overloads. And y is equal to, name it as z, y is equal to z. And this is the second method, that is child class. Child method value of y, and this is base method. Now create the object for class B, obj.disp and obj.disp with value 200. Let us execute this program. Base method value 100 and child method value 200. In case of inheritance, when you overload a base method in the child method, the signature of this disp is same, and you are implementing the base method in child method with extra parameter, there is a mandatory thing that you will have to write overloads. If you eliminate this, there will be an error. So you will have to write overloads. See the whole program.